Hey everyone, it's Mayurish again. Today we'll learn how to put your chronicles out there in the world. So we'll go over the share menu, how to export your chronicle as a PDF, and lots more. Let's take a look. So here I have my quarterly business update ready to go out and being sent to investors. What I can do here is click on the share menu and add the name of anyone in my workspace or outside of my workspace to quickly share this with them. Let's say I want to share this with Claire first so that she can help me edit this. I can change the setting of whether she can just view this or edit it and hit invite, and an email would be sent out to Claire along with the link of this chronicle. She will then be able to jump in and start editing this chronicle along with me, and we can both work in real time. You can also copy the link from here and just send it to your collaborators easily. You can also change the setting from here very easily. There are 4 settings. Anyone at this workspace with a link can view, anyone at the workspace can edit, or everyone in the workspace can edit, in which case it will be visible in your workspace. You can also publish your chronicle to the web. Simply hit publish and you will see that your chronicle is now live. At this point, your chronicle is almost like a website. So if you take this link and send it to anyone, you can see that they can just go to this link and have a look at your chronicle immediately. So there you go. Another way in which you can share is using PDFs. Let me unpublish this quickly. In order to export to a PDF, just go to this 3-dot menu, click on Export PDF, and Chronicle will start preparing this for your download. It will take a minute depending on whether you have images or a lot of pages in your chronicle. For example, this one's particularly heavy. Chronicle will notify you when your download is ready. It will look perfect and a crisp PDF, ready for you to send out to anyone you want. So that's how you share your chronicle. You can add collaborators or people with view-only options. You can publish to the web, or you can export to a PDF. We have the ability to export to PPT coming very soon as well, and it will work exactly like export PDF works. So that's how you share your chronicles. I'll see you in the next one.